Hear that cod? Why do you make the beach look so good?
I didn't know that I did.
Well, you know now. So can I get some answers?
I don't have an answer. This is another cruise ship. Wouldn't that be a trip if that was like our cruise ship?
Leaving?
Yeah.
Don't leave us. Help me, please. Help me. Don't leave us.
Shit. This is so dope.
5 miles of beach.
Nobody's out here.
Nope, we can set up wherever we want. We can put on a bench, I think. We got a beach house, baby.
There's also no thing.
No, there's not. Look at this beach house, though. There's chairs. You want to grab some chairs? Can we grab chairs?
I don't know.
Yes, sir. Very beautiful, man. Bahamas. Freeport, Bahamas. And this is what it looks like. This is the water. Beautiful blue water. My goodness. Is it cold? Oh yeah, it's chilly. It's for sure cold. It's clear though. It's incredible how clear that water is. Sure. Take more pictures of myself. I have more pictures of my own wife in here than I have of my own self. I didn't hear you, but I'll come down there.
I said I can come up there if you don't feel like sitting down or anything.
I don't care.
Get out of me. There's sun, there's houses.
Took pictures of the beautiful sunrise this morning. Give a damn about those fire festival houses.
Fire festival.
Here with my lovely wife. You ain't straight with the gang. Turning around. Oh, there it is. You didn't want to go over there.
Well, where are you going?
Because I want to see the little fish. Oh, oh! Look at the little fishies. I want some tuna. Look at the little fish. You think these are the fish that eat off the? Whoa, that's getting high. Eat the fish, eat the dead skin off your feet.
Maybe.
There's only one way to find out. They're gonna run away from me though. They're gonna see this big black man. They're gonna be like, black man, what you doing over here, black man? Look at all these little baby ass fish. That's a trip. That's so crazy. Fugazi. Look, they starting to run away. They scared of this black man, this black magic, this black meat. I don't bite fish. Yes, I do. Jelly. Peanut butter with all that jelly. So she's mad at me because I just splashed her with water for talking shit. It's all good though. We got my man, I forgot his name, but he over there making us some Bahamas. He's so tight, he's fire. I fucks with him heavy. Big time. I'm gonna take a picture of him. And with him. And that's how you get the sand off. Or pee in the water. Just depends on what you... Or pee. I mean, if you're peeing, it's okay. That was quick. Never peed that fast.
Whoa!
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
My dog. This is my dog right here. That's my boy right there. That's my boy right there.
You had some name and food?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So that was the hotel they said they closed down, right?
Yeah, they closed one of these down during the hurricane.
That's what the
Yeah.
lady was telling me just now.
That's a nice hotel.
And I guess
Yeah, that's a nice one. That's
was that the one that closed
Grand
down?
Lucaya.
Oh, that's
Was that the one that closed down?
That's Grand Lucaya, the big one.
Oh, wow.
It closed down.
Front desk over here for checking you in for the Grand Lucaya.
Did they close it down during the hurricane?
Yeah, they closed it down, but there's a lot of damage over there.
Six days going ape shit. Spend my money fast, go fast. Fast like a lamb.